You're watching Tag Out and Drag Out. This video is my top 5 AR-15 hunting cartridge choices. So why hunt with an AR-15? Well, they're lightweight, they have low recoil, they're modular in design, they adjust to the shooter, they're accurate, they're affordable, and they're semi-automatic. There's AR-15s for most budgets. Number 5, the 224 Valkyrie. My personal choice would be the Federal Fusion 90 grain for this cartridge. Number 4, the 300 Blackout. This is an extremely capable cartridge and fires heavy projectiles. However, I would keep this cartridge at short distances under 150 yards. Number 3, the 7.62 by 39. I would recommend the 123 grain SSTs. It has very comparable ballistics to the 30-30. Number 2, the 6mm ARC. I recommend Hornet 8 Precision Hunter 103 grain ELDX. Number 1, the 6.5 Grendel. I recommend using the Nosler Trophy Grade 129 grain AccuBond. Some hunters have been known to take cow elk at up to 150 yards with the 6.5 Grendel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.